Alright, so this is just a quick video on installation on a sidestep. I don't know how to read that, but that's the brand. It's an Amazon sidestep. Wow, is that Odrio or whatever? It's going to be going on to this 2020 Ram Rebel 4x4. It's pretty high up, so sidestep definitely is a must for this thing. Got the box opened up over here, and let's see what we've got. Got the plates, and I'm not gonna do the whole installation video of this because it's 100 million degrees in Las Vegas right now, and it's just too hard to do anything right now. But basically it comes with all the nuts and bolts, brackets over there. This is what it looks like, and I will actually do another video or continue this video after it has been installed. So this thing is very, very, very nice. Looks very, very tough, and it's very, very heavy. When you go underneath the truck, it's got the mounting bolts right here, and let's try to get this on. All right, so in the box you get the brackets, you get the nuts and bolts, and instruction manual. I'm not going to go through the whole putting everything together because, like I said, it's 1 million degrees here in Las Vegas, and it's just way too hot. So I'm gonna pre-assemble this and mount it on the truck and take another video from there. So basically you put the bracket on, washers and nuts, and then we'll go on to the next part. It's really difficult in this heat. Alright, so now I've got the bracket and the nuts. I'm gonna use my impact to just tighten everything to the body, and then go over everything again later on after everything is installed. But it's just too difficult to take the video and do this right now. Should be about 125 degrees on the ground here in Vegas. It's hot. All right, so I think my phone is gonna overheat, but basically underneath the truck, putting on the washers on the bracket. After this step is done, these brackets are gonna go on like this, and then the sidestep will be installed onto here. Let's see if my phone will last. So pretty much I'll show one bracket. This is one bracket that's already done. The sidestep will go over here, and then I'm gonna do one more over here, and then another one over there, and gonna bring this phone inside to cool it. All right, the phone is cool now, and this is what the sidestep looks like on the Dodge Ram Rebel. After assembling everything on the bottom, try to get a good video over here. Sorry about the cuts. It was just way too hot to do anything crazy out here. Just trying to get it and try not to burn my skin on the hot asphalt with my really terrible cardboarding over here. But that's pretty much it. It's very straightforward installation. Just nuts and bolts. Everything just mounts where it's supposed to go, and that's what it looks like. Gonna go do the other side now, but I don't think you guys need to wait for that one. Cut this video short at about 5 minutes and 30 seconds, and it actually will make getting into the truck so much easier. It's gonna save this part of your seat, because when you scoot over, you're not gonna be scooting over and then sliding down. You're gonna be scooting over and then stepping on the actual bar. Stepping on the bar. It's very, very firm, and I think it looks very tough. This was 320, 340 bucks. Really makes it worth it, and it actually goes along with the Magnum, whatever you call that thing, in the back, and then with the painted bed. Again, sorry, it's hot as shit over here, but that's my video. Took me about 20 minutes to install this side. I'm gonna go over to the other side and install it. This side step is for the Dodge Ram Rebel. I'll put an Amazon link for the step, and let me know what you guys think in the comments.